Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, back with another video. Well, this video is kind of hard to make. I've been thinking about this for a while and I'm finally making this video today. So yeah, I guess it's time to let go of some of my bikes. It's a tough decision because these bikes have been there with me since the start of my YouTube channel and it feels like losing a part of your life. I'll try to keep this video as short as possible, talking about my bikes and the next big thing, of course. So let's start off with my ZX10R. I got this bike last year in the month of May. I know it's a short time I've had this bike, but I'll say that I've explored everything that I wanted to explore. You know, the speed, the thrill, the sound, the way it rides, the posture. Everything about this bike is just truly phenomenal, truly just amazing. And it's one of my dream bikes. To own this bike I'm just really lucky, really fortunate to have had this experience. And what can I say? I can just say this experience was just unforgettable with this bike. And then my Kawasaki Z650. This bike has been there with me since the start. It's my first bike, technically. And you know, everywhere I went, I took this bike. It was pretty fun, pretty wild. Even though the 650 is not 1000cc, I've had equal amounts of fun with both the bikes. It's just truly sad and disappointing. You know, selling these bikes feels like selling a part of myself. But in reality, I can't really keep these things forever. Maybe in the future I can get something while having other stuff. But right now, to move forward, I have to let go, sacrifice some things. With the next big thing coming up, I guess it's time to say goodbye. So yeah, I'm selling my Kawasaki Ninja ZX10R and my dad's classic 350. Psych! Yeah, I'm not selling my Kawasaki Z650. So just to clear things up, the two bikes that I'm selling are my dad's classic 350 and the Kawasaki Ninja ZX10R, not my Kawasaki Z650. To explain it properly, the actual plan was to sell both of these bikes, but then when I had a talk with my dad, he was like, selling the Z650 is more of a loss, so it's better to keep it. So yeah, Z650 fans, the bike is gonna stay and it's gonna stay forever. So don't worry about the Kawasaki Z650 going anywhere. I just had to do it, I just had to do it. It just seemed that way. I know, the title, the thumbnail, the way I started the video up until now, I had to do it. Come on, I'm a YouTuber. I have to clickbait. But yeah, don't worry about anything. The Z650 stays. The Royal Enfield Classic 350 is already sold. So we sold it yesterday. And the ZX10R's deal is like 60% done. I just have to get a new battery and then, make a last ride video for myself and for you guys to see. And after that, it's time to let go of the ZX10R. So we all know why I'm doing this, obviously. It's for the next big thing, the next big bike. I'll just say that it's a step up from the ZX10R. It's not really what you expect. It's not something really big. I know people are, expecting something really big, but it's not. I'm not fooling anybody. I'm literally speaking the truth. It's not something really big. It's just a step up from the ZX10R. But I will say that this bike, the next bike, has a big fan following, and it's kinda more iconic than the ZX10R. And the only other hint that I can give is, I don't know if you'll get it, but I don't really like the new models of the bike, nor the older models. I just like a certain model, certain make, certain year they made the bike. But the old models are really iconic, so I'm not, trying to offend anyone. But yeah, I just like a certain model, certain make of the bike. I haven't found a deal yet, but it'll be soon. I can't say when. I'm just eagerly waiting as you guys are. So we'll just have to wait and see, I guess. But yeah, big changes coming up. The garage will never look the same again. It's always from green and green, a little bit of black, but you get my point. It'll be green and then something else entirely. So if you're excited for this, just like I am, be sure to smash that subscribe button, because it'll be a wild thing when you guys see what it is. Again, just to clear things out, it's not something big. It's a step up from the ZX10R. I guess that's enough to give some clues for the people. And I think some people already got it. You can guess it down in the comments below, but of course I won't reveal it. But yeah, that's it for this video. I just wanted to update you guys on what's happening, and the ZX10R is gonna go, the Z650 is gonna stay. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please drop a like, share and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Ride safe, peace.